Hi guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious, soft and fluffy butter bread at home that you're going to love. This is a classic recipe that is perfect for breakfast or as a snack. So let's jump right in. In a large mixing bowl, I'm going to combine together 4 cups of flour, a tablespoon of salt, and a freshly grated nutmeg. You can use the powdered one, that works perfectly. We'll go ahead to give it a quick mix to combine all the dry ingredients together. Next, I'm going to combine 1.5 warm water, a pack of active dry yeast, a tablespoon of sugar. We'll go ahead to stir gently and let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes until it's foamy. This step ensures our yeast is active and ready to make the bread rise beautifully. Next, I'm going to add in our softened butter. I'm using 1/2 cup. This will give our bread its rich buttery taste that we are looking for. Now I'm going to go ahead to pour our yeast mixture into the bowl with the dry ingredients. We'll mix everything together until our dough is roughly formed. Alright guys, so now it's time to knead our dough. So what I'll do is to transfer it into a clean surface, then start to knead. Kneading is the key for developing the gluten, which gives the bread that stretchy texture. So to knead by hand, we'll press the dough with the nail of my hand, fold it over and rotate it slightly. Repeat this motion and don't rush. I'm going to knead it for about 15 minutes until the dough becomes smooth and elastic. Meanwhile, I'd like to take this opportunity to say a very big thank you to my returning and new subscribers. I just want to say thank you so much for your love and support. God bless you. And if you are new here, my name is Joanna. I share quick and easy recipe that you are going to love. So kindly subscribe to join this beautiful family. So once the dough is kneaded enough, we'll transfer it into a lightly greased bowl. Then cover it with a plastic wrap and a kitchen towel. I'll let it sit in a warm place for about 40 to an hour or until it doubles in size. While our dough is proofing, I'm going to prepare my loaf pan. I'm using butter, but you can use oil if you want. So I'm going to use my hand to spread it out evenly. Then sprinkle just a little flour. This will allow the bread come out easily. "50 minutes later, our dough has proof enough. Look how perfect it is. It has doubled in size. We'll slightly punch down the dough to release any air bubbles and then shape it. So I'm using my rolling pin, but you can use your hand. You can just press it down to just flatten it down a little bit. Then roll it and get your perfect shape you're going for. So what I'll do is to roll the dough, then pinch to seal the edges. So we'll place it into my prepared loaf pan, then cover it halfway and let it proof again for another 30 to 40 minutes. This second proofing helps the bread get that nice fluffy texture. While the dough is proofing, I'm going to preheat my oven to 350 degrees. Once the dough is ready, I'm going to bake it for about 30 to 35 minutes until the top is golden brown. And there you have it, homemade butter bread fresh out of the oven. It smells so incredibly here. And just look at how the butter melts as soon as I put it in. Yeah, it's so good. And trust me, you're going to love it. Thank you all so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Click on the bell notification for more amazing recipes. Let me know in the comments if you're going to try this recipe, and I would love to hear how it turns out. Until I come your way with another deliciousness, please stay blessed and happy. Bye guys.